is Jaymen and welcome to my channel. First, let's apply primer to have that smooth, poreless base before foundation. I always use primer before my tutorial. I just cut out the skincare part in my videos. Next is foundation. I'm using a matte foundation in a thin layer. Apply it with damp beauty sponge. By the way, we're not going for full coverage finish, we just need to have the baby skin effect, not dewy and not too dry. After foundation is color corrector. Apply the orange shade on the dark circles with concealer brush. Sometimes there are dark circles that has warm undertones, so choose carefully a corrector for your imperfections. I have a tutorial for color correcting, so make sure to check it out if you need to learn more about it. After color corrector is apply concealer and use the same brush. Lightly dab the sponge on the excess concealer to absorb them. Pat the brush with loose powder to set the liquid products we applied before. And we're done with our base, so let's proceed to eyebrows. I'll be using this Maybelline Fashion Brow Pencil, but you can use any brow product you have, just make sure its shade won't give you strong and fierce appearance. So we'll start lining at the center below the arch, up to the tail, then lightly apply on the front and then same way on the upper part and fill in. And blend with a spoolie. Cover the excess brow product with concealer and concealer brush. To have that faded look, apply the excess concealer on the front part. And we're done with our brows. Let's move to the eyes. We'll be using a concealer or primer if you like as a base on eyelids. We're applying it with damp beauty sponge to make sure it stays and to prevent streaks when using a brush. And we're gonna set with powder and brush. For eyeshadow, we'll use this Beauty Glazed Color Board palette. We'll start with matte pink as transition shade on the crease area. After that, apply shimmery cream shade on center eyelids for highlight so it makes our eyes more brighter and blooming. Apply also on lower lash line. On 1/4 below outer lash line, apply light pink shade with small smudge brush. Also apply on outer V for more pigment with angled shadow brush. Next is gel eyeliner. We'll start lining from 1/4 outer corner lash line and make a winged eyeliner. Now, curl those lashes upward. And apply mascara. Time for contour. We'll be applying 2 shades darker with angled blush brush for contouring between the cheeks and jaw. And along the jawline to make them slimmer. Apply on the sides of the nose using blending eyeshadow brush. After contour, we'll be using cream blush. We're gonna apply this with synthetic blush brush. Bear in mind, cream product works well with synthetic hairbrush because it sticks well to synthetic unlike natural hairbrush like goat's hair. Then blend using beauty sponge. Now, set it with powder blush. Apply pink lip gloss and we're almost done. Last, use brow mascara to make it look lighter and gives younger appearance on your makeup look. And we're done. I hope you enjoy and follow this tutorial. Have a great day!